How to give Robux to friends in 2024. Now, the first part will be required by your friend, so send this video to your friend. Here's what the person who's going to receive the Robux, here's what they have to do. So, Mr. Friend, the first thing that you have to do is you have to click on create here after you load up Roblox. Then we'll need to go into creations. Here we will click on our place, so you should have a place. And then go into monetization here. So just find monetization, click on passes. So click on passes here, Mr. Friend, and we have to create a game pass. So for the image, we can leave it as it is. The name is gonna be donation, and then we'll click on create pass. So this is what the person who's gonna receive the Robux, this is what they need to do. Now, after we have created the pass, left click on it, go into sales, and here's where you set the amount. So toggle this on, item for sale, and we need to set a price. So you will receive 70% of what you set here. So for example, if you set 100 Robux, when your friend buys this, you will receive 70. So here, click on save changes. Okay, and now we can go and click on the three dots and copy asset ID, or I'm just going to cancel here and I'm going to go back, click on the three dots here, and we want to copy the URL. Now, once we have copied this URL, this is where the person who's going to give you Robux comes into play. So you want to send them this URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my other account and I'll show you how this works. So I'll just pause. Okay, so after you have created this, it's going to look like this. You want to send the link to your friend, the one that's going to be donating to you. And here you will see the price, and it's going to be by your friend. If you see your friend's name here, the one that you want to donate to, then this is going to be great. So here, just click on buy. And would you like to buy the donation from, and this is going to be your friend's name for 100. Like I said, your friend will receive 70% of that. So if you click on buy now, then your friend will receive the amount of 70 Robux in this case. In a few days, you know, depending Robux here, you will be able to see your Robux. So if it's pending, it's going to appear here for your friend, and it's going to take a few days to actually receive it. But that's basically how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.